Vampire at Walibi Belgium. And the first coaster of this park. Number 7 today. I think it's gonna be really good to start with. Not sure about the coaster though, no idea if it's good or not. And guess what we have in this park? A boomerang. 3 boomerangs in 3 days. Here we go, Vampire in Walibi Belgium. It feels like the legs are gonna be chopped off so much. I did enjoy that. I have to tell you, I enjoyed that. That was a great coaster. Wow. Love the thing with smoke. It was great diving into that. Oh. Okay, that was the first coaster of Walibi Belgium. Let's go and do the next one.